Today, we're on a copper gutter job here in Cherry Hills, Colorado. If you're considering copper versus aluminum gutters, this video is for you. Let's get started. I'm McDonald with Excel Roofing. I've been doing gutters since 2015, and during that time, I've done thousands of gutter installations, aluminum and steel, and dozens of copper gutter installs. Installing copper versus aluminum, there's a couple things that you need to consider. One, copper is a lot heavier than aluminum, and two, copper is also a lot stiffer than aluminum. So let's talk about fasteners and mixing metals. The reason why you don't want to mix the metals is because it'll cause galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion is where two different types of metals are met together, and moisture in the climate will cause corrosion and will eat away at the lesser metal over time. You don't want to mix copper with other types of metals like aluminum or bare steel. So the reason why I'm wearing the gloves is because it'll leave black fingerprints onto the copper gutter. So basically the oil from your fingers, it'll get all over the copper gutters and it makes it oxidize really fast compared to if it was just out in the weather. Copper gutters can last a lot longer than aluminum gutters. Aluminum can last anywhere from 20 to 30 years, and copper can last anywhere from 50 to 100 years. Copper is a lot more resistant to corrosion and rust than aluminum is. Directly above me is a great representation of a brand new copper gutter and an old oxidized copper gutter. Let's talk about patina a little bit here. So I want to give you a basic definition of what patina is. We got an old copper gutter here, or a downspout, that's completely patina. It's a lot darker color than the copper is when it's new, and that's basically what the patina is. And then here we got the brand new copper gutter, which has that bright, like copperish looking color. For copper gutters, we're gonna be using solder instead of gutter sealant. Soldering will last significantly longer than if we were using regular gutter silicone. The reason why we wanna solder the copper gutters is because, just like in plumbing, if you were to use sealant or silicone on the copper, it just doesn't adhere properly and eventually it's gonna wear away in a relatively quick amount of time. Also, another thing that people don't understand is that gutters have to be installed behind the drip metal here. The reason why is if the gutter isn't installed behind the drip metal, when the water comes off of the roof, it'll leak behind the gutter in between the fascia board. And that'll create damage to the fascia board or any foundation or anything below. So it's very important that you're making sure that your gutter is going behind the drip metal against the fascia board. If you're thinking about installing copper gutters in the Denver metro area, give Excel Roofing a call first. If you'd like to learn more about roofing and gutters, visit our Learning Center, where we have tons of videos and articles going over the entirety of the roofing process. When you're ready to have your home inspected, give us a call or use our easy online scheduler where you can pick a date and time that works best for you, and we'll be there. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.